Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Start Up Yourself. Today, we'll be discussing the reasons why we can't earn more money. What are these limitations? And why are these limitations? Before we begin, you guys know the drill. Take a second to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for new updates. To live in this world, one must progress financially. With time, the standard of living is being enhanced exponentially. To fulfill our requirements, we must earn enough money, but it isn't that easy. To progress financially, we must work strategically with punctuality. People often come up with practical ways of making more money, but not everyone can pull it off. Often enough, the only things standing in the way of financial progress are our own limitations and beliefs about money. We think of money as evil or impossible or superficial, and those negative associations can have a negative impact on our earning potential. Here are reasons why we can't make more money and some solutions for these problems. Number 1, you only make money when you're awake. Usually, people tend to work for money without finding a way for money to work for them. We utilize our daytime completely to earn money, which ain't enough. We don't earn money when we are asleep, which means that we don't have any passive source of income. Passive sources of income require little effort for their maintenance. They don't provide quick and easy money. It takes time to establish its ground, but once we start investing our time, it can be very helpful. Some examples of passive income sources are like starting a blog, giving online courses, selling things online, renting a portion of your unused space, etc. These things do require a little effort at the start, but after investing the time in, it can make you more money than you've ever thought of. Number 2, you aren't increasing your value. Another reason why you're not earning more money is your value. The amount of money you earn is directly proportional to the amount of value you offer. Let's suppose you work in a company. The boss will pay you for the things you offer him. If you aren't providing him with services, you won't earn more money. To enhance your value, you have to provide services that are required and desired by people, and in this way, you'll get a way to earn more money. One can increase his or her value by improving their timing. If you are given a task, complete it in less period of time than another person. In this way, your swiftness in the work will earn you the money you deserve. Another way of improving your value is to improve the quality of your work. Perform your tasks accurately and try not to make any mistakes and practice things as much as you can. Number 3, you don't analyze your low and high value activities. This one is a major one. It's a major reason why we don't earn much money despite having skills. We waste a lot of our precious time doing things that are not very valuable. Low value activities do not benefit us. We need to understand the difference between being busy and being productive. We need to analyze our activities and work on them accordingly. If a certain activity doesn't provide us an equal of time it consumes, then it's of no use. You must be familiar with the 80-20 rule, which states that 80% of outcomes are delivered by 20% of the efforts. Sometimes the activities we perform don't benefit as much. It's better to differentiate between activities and provide them our time accordingly. Earning money is less of an effort and more of a strategic balance. Number 4, associate yourself with people who earn more money. This here is not a mistake, but a suggestion. Make acquaintances with people who earn more money than you. Get to know how they think, utilize money, work differently. Try to understand their mindset and instill good habits in yourself. In this way, you'll get to know about different experiences and you might come up with new ideas for yourself. Once you know you no longer have an income ceiling, you'll find it easier to earn more money. Number 5, you are afraid of taking more responsibilities. Being afraid typically doesn't produce good results. When you allow fear to get the best of you, it'll often affect your decisions and you may end up making the wrong choices that deter your financial progress. Your inability to earn more money could be because you are scared of taking on more responsibilities. Some people wish to make more money, but when they are given more responsibilities, they shirk at the opportunity. The fear of making mistakes and failing is a major reason why most people are scared of taking responsibility. If you can perform all tasks you're asked to do, then it shows you have what it takes to earn more money. You must not run away from responsibilities, and you should develop the courage to take on responsibilities. In conclusion, it's always possible to earn more money if you do the right things. And that's it for today. I hope you guys liked the video. Feel free to drop in suggestions regarding the topic and give this video a thumbs up when you can. Take care and